What are you? It seems like a simple question. You are a person, you have a name, you have a body, you have a history, but look closer. You are a collection of atoms, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, elements forged in long-dead stars. We can map your brain. We can trace signals flashing between neurons. We built machines that process more and more information, but we cannot explain why it feels like something to be you. How does matter create the experience of the color red, the feeling of sadness, a memory of a friend? This is the hard problem of consciousness. Our frameworks break when they try to touch it. In the early 20th century, physicists exploring the very small found a secret: atoms, electrons, photons. Beneath the familiar world runs a different operating system, a deeper code under everything we see. The double-slit experiment is simple to describe, impossible to forget. Fire particles at 2 slits, record where they land. Tiny baseballs should make 2 bands. Instead, you get many bright and dark stripes, the signature of a wave passing through both slits at once, even when sent one at a time. The electron exists as a wave of possibilities, a superposition, both places until the journey ends. Set up a detector and the pattern vanishes. Now it behaves like a particle. This is wave function collapse. Why does measurement pick a single outcome? Einstein resisted. Experiments didn't budge. Reality is probabilistic until observed. In the late 1980s, a bridge began to form. Sir Roger Penrose, a master of space-time, he argued consciousness does what computers cannot, a flash of understanding beyond rules. Penrose proposed collapse happens on its own. Superposition creates competing curvatures. That instability cannot last. It collapses objectively without an observer. In Arizona, Stuart Hameroff looked inside cells. Tiny cylinders, microtubules everywhere in neurons. Orderly, crystal-like structure. Could they compute in superposition? Hameroff contacted Penrose. Orch OR was born. Quantum computations inside microtubules, guided by the brain's own signaling. Reach the threshold, collapse. Each collapse, a moment of experience, consciousness as discrete events at a deeper boundary. It was bold and it was controversial, a radical answer waiting for evidence. The loud objection, the brain is warm, wet, and noisy. Delicate states would decohere fast. Femtoseconds versus milliseconds, a mismatch. Then photosynthesis changed minds. Energy explores all paths at once, near perfect efficiency at room temperature. Birds navigate with a quantum compass. Entanglement sensitive to Earth's field. Smell may use tunneling. Life is not afraid of the quantum world. If plants and birds can, why not brains? The question became how and where. Anesthesia? Different molecules? Same effect? A shared quantum property? Weak forces? Microtubule damping? In 2024, Vienna maintained entanglement in tubulin peptides at physiological temperatures, longer than expected, long enough in principle to matter for neurons. Coherent vibrations lasting nanoseconds, not femtoseconds. Models suggest macroscopic quantum states across networks. Early days, replication matters, but dismissal no longer fits. If Orch OR is right, the implications are staggering. Maybe experience is woven into space-time. Panpsychism says consciousness is fundamental, like mass and charge, a primitive inner life. Rocks and stars would not think, but might faintly feel. Integrated information. Theory measures how much a system feels. Consciousness as a spectrum, not a switch. Maybe the universe was never mindless. If experience is encoded in quantum geometry, then what happens when the brain stops? What happens to you when you die? Science does not know, not yet. Reports hint at brief quantum coherence after clinical death. Anomalies that demand caution, not proof of survival, not evidence of afterlife. They could be artifacts or unknown biology. Still, the questions are now experimental. We began with a question, what are you? Life uses quantum mechanics. The brain may too. If true, it changes our place in the universe. We are the universe experiencing itself.